Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a hobbyist, a tech enthusiast, or a total beginner, 3D printing in 2025 is faster, smarter, and more accessible than ever before. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers on Amazon this year, chosen for their speed, precision, and overall value. We've got something for every type of user, from plug-and-play printers for kids to ultra-fast CoreXY machines. So grab your filament, check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals, and let's get into it. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. First up, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, a sleek, high-speed 3D printer designed for creators who want serious performance without the complicated setup. It's built on a CoreXY structure for faster, smoother movement and reaches print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second. That's nearly 10 times faster than many older models. One of the best features here is the fully automatic bed leveling. No more turning knobs or struggling to level your bed, this one does it all for you. You also get a 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder with a 3-second quick-release nozzle, making maintenance and material changes super easy. The build size is 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, which is ideal for most medium-sized projects like miniatures, enclosures, or functional prints. Pros: fast 600 millimeters per second printing, one-click auto-leveling, durable metal CoreXY frame, tool-less, 3-second nozzle swap. Overall, the Adventurer 5M offers serious performance for under $500. It's a perfect mix of speed, accuracy, and ease of use. Number 2. Soval Zero 3D printer. Next is the Soval Zero, and let me tell you, this printer is an absolute beast. With a blazing top speed of 1,200 millimeters per second, this is one of the fastest consumer-grade printers on the market right now. But it's not just fast, it's smart. You get eddy current scanning and pressure sensing for automatic flow control and leveling adjustments. The print quality stays crisp even at high speeds. What sets it apart is the full linear rail system on all axes. This isn't something you usually see in printers at this price point. It gives you better stability and smoother motion. The 350 degrees Celsius all-metal nozzle and 120 degrees Celsius heated bed make it perfect for printing advanced materials like ABS, nylon, and PETG. Pros: lightning-fast 1,200 millimeters per second speed, 350 degrees Celsius hot end for exotic materials. Full linear rails equals high accuracy. Open source equals modding potential. If you're an advanced user or want to future-proof your setup, the Soval Zero is an amazing choice with industrial-grade features at a consumer price. Number 3. Mini 3D printer for kids and beginners. At number 3, we have something totally beginner-friendly, the Mini 3D printer for kids and beginners. This compact machine comes fully assembled, so you can literally go from box to print in under 10 minutes. It even includes a starter kit with PLA filament, an SD card, and auto-leveling functionality. And yes, it has Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can send prints wirelessly from your computer. Whether you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux, the interface is super simple, and the compact design makes it ideal for kids, classrooms, or home learning. Pros: plug-and-play setup. Comes with starter filament and tools. Auto-leveling plus Wi-Fi connectivity. Kid-safe, compact size. If you're buying a 3D printer as a gift or just want a no-hassle way to learn the basics, this is one of the best options out there. Number 4. Official Creality Ender 3. Coming in at number 4, the legendary Creality Ender 3. This is the printer that really helped 3D printing go mainstream. With its large community, modding potential, and sub-$200 price tag, it's an absolute workhorse. It's got a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, a resume printing function, and it's fully open source, meaning you can customize it with new firmware, hot ends, fans, and more. Print quality is solid, especially once you dial it in. But be prepared for a bit of a learning curve, especially with manual bed leveling. Pros: great print quality for the price, huge community and support, fully open source, large printable area. If you love to tinker and mod your machine, the Ender 3 is a DIYer's dream and a solid value pick. Number 5. FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D printer. And last but not least, the FLASHFORGE AD5M, a powerful 3D printer designed for speed and simplicity. It shares a lot of DNA with the Adventurer 5M, but upgrades the experience with one-click auto calibration, even more refined build quality, and the same blazing fast 600 millimeters per second print speed. You also get a quick swap nozzle, a rigid CoreXY metal frame, and a solid 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters print volume. Pros: professional auto calibration, clean, precise CoreXY design, fast printing with minimal tuning, maintenance friendly. Overall, the AD5M is perfect for anyone who wants a fast, pro-grade experience without all the manual setup and tweaking. So there you have it, the top 5 best 3D printers you can buy on Amazon in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to upgrade to something faster and smarter, there's something on this list for you. All the links are down in the description, so feel free to check them out and compare prices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments. Which printer are you excited to try out? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.